Take it. Take it. Yeah, I got him. All right. Morning. Welcome to Mid-Rod Crisis, where a 40-year-old who has no idea what he's doing when it comes to fly fishing decides to pick it up about mid-life. So, join us. Today, we're down at Aldridge Creek. We're going to be fishing for some brim, bass, whatever may bite. Who knows? But we're going to get out there. And thanks for joining. Stay tuned. Take it. Take it. Yeah, I got him. All right. What do we got? All right. A little red breast. Perfect. Nope, green sunfish. Sorry. Is it green? There's a red breast. Yeah, it could be a small red breast. There you go, guys. Let's see. Did I even hook you right? Or did I snag you? I snagged you. You went for it and I snagged it. Oh, there you go. All right. Just give this another go. See how this one goes. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, you want it. Hey, oh, got another one. There we go. There we go. That looks like a good red breast. Or is that an arc green? Good Lord. This little thing is packed. Oh, that's good green. Good red breast. I mean, I'm sorry. Ooh. Pretty fish. Let's see. Pretty fish. Oh yeah. All right. In you go. Yeah, you're doing good. There you go. A really beautiful red breast. Oh man, he swallowed that thing. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Oh, come on, dude. Calm down. Calm down now. Caused me to get my that came out a lot easier than I thought it would. Yeah, this whole little area right here don't look that deep, man, but oh, shit, I wasn't even paying attention. I wasn't even paying attention to get this one. Let's see. Another gorgeous red breast. Look at him. That's gorgeous. Some of those tail fins. Gorgeous fish. All right, bud. Let you go. All right. My brother's down there killing it. Got killing it on the red breast and the bass. And I've been skunked. I missed him. Oh, missed it again. Story of my life. Oh, there we go. Man, he took it hard. Oh, God. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, good fighting. Good fighting redbreast. Holy crap. He's a big boy. Let's get him up in here. Oh, come on. Come on, take off some more. Woo! That is a good looking fish. Holy crap. How big he is. That is just one big fish for this little creek. Look at him. Big old boy. He looks good, don't he? Alright, I'm going to take a picture and then let him go. Alright. See if we can get another one out there. Hit. Oh, got another one on. There's another one. Good fish. Another good fish. What do we got? Shoot, another redbreast. No, oh, bluegill. Very, very light colored bluegill. There you go. All right, back in the water. There we go. Missed him. Oh, there's good redbreast. Jeez, these things fight pound for pound. These things fight better than any other fish. They are damn good fish. Always have fun with them. And these are exceptionally large redbreast. Once again, another nice big redbreast. Look at him. Just really good coloring. Beautiful fish. Alright. Let him go. If I can get my cast going again. There we go. Let's see. Let's see how long it takes this time. Hit the water. Oh, branch just fell behind me. Oh, damn. Jeez, got hit and just nothing, man. Things hit so hard. Oh, nope. There's him again. Let's get right back out there. Get him on. Get him on. Oh, there he is. Got him. There's another good one. Let's see, another good red breast. Yep, sure is. Oh, come here. Get my line wrapped up in my rod tip. What a good bluegill. Look at that bluegill. Beautiful bluegill. Alright. Oh, there we go. Another good red breast. Ooh, they fight. Especially on this little 3-weight rod. They give you a good little run. Oh, oh. And he completely broke off my line. Wonderful. Alright. Yep. Completely broke off my line. Looks like we're going to have to retie and go right back at it. Alright. Well, I think that's going to about wrap it up for the day. But I think we're making a little progress. I appreciate you joining us, and I hope to see you on the next cast.